Welcome everyone, in front of me I have the Google Pixel 7 Pro. If you'd like to see me unbox the regular Pixel 7, I'll have that video in the description. So if we take a look at the back here, you can see I've got the regular 128GB model, hazel color. I think this hazel honestly looks really good. Do let me know which color you do prefer in the comments, but I'm assuming you'll prefer hazel. So let's remove these pull tabs here. It's like this plastic papery thing. So we've got two, boom, and now the box opens up. Okay, here is the Pixel 7 Pro. Now I only got the Pixel 6 last year, you can see it right here. This was an incredibly good phone, I must admit. With Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, they didn't raise the prices, which is very impressive. In the UK, Apple raised all the prices. I just think they weren't happy with their profit margin because Google did not. So pulling off the paper here. Here is the phone itself. I don't remember this smooth edges, but I did have a screen protector, so I didn't realize the sides smoothed out. So let's turn on the phone itself. There we go. And first impressions, I really like how this feels in the hand. It really feels extremely solid. I'm concerned, look at that, the fingerprints are going to build up, which may be a little bit of an issue, but honestly with the Pixel 6 I didn't mind that much. At the end of it, I'm looking this part of the screen, not this part, you know. Yeah, this feels really good to hold. The volume button is a little bit of a stretch to reach, but the power button in a very ergonomic spot. Then we have here this adapter, so if you're trying to transfer data from your old phone, you'd use this adapter. We have the charging cable, but we do not have a charging brick, so keep that one in mind. And we have this mysterious Google thing. I couldn't get it out, so I had to flip the box around. So struggling with this. Okay, here we go. And we have paperwork. I was hoping something a little bit more exciting. The SIM card ejector tool is here, and we have just paper. Honestly, I thought something else would be here. I mean, look how nicely they packaged paper. Okay, here we go. So this is the Pixel 7 Pro. This is the regular Pixel 6. I don't have the 6 Pro, sorry, I never bought it. If we take a look at the size department here, you can see the Pixel 7 Pro is just slightly taller, slightly wider than the regular Pixel 6. It probably is the same dimensions as the 6 Pro. Taking a look at the back here, the 6 and 6 Pro, the very similar design. You can see we have this full black, panel with the cameras and the flash. This is compared to the cameras having, their own separate cutout. Honestly, I do prefer the look of the Pixel 7 Pro over the 6 and 6 Pro. But some people have been saying they prefer the 6. I disagree. I like the aluminium and the glass, contrast. The camera's here as well. Honestly, I really do like the look of this phone. Feels solid, and yeah. So let's set this guy up. Go get started. Connect to mobile network. So they do have a SIM card. Apple will be taking notes. Actually, they won't. Google will be removing the SIM card probably next year. But that's good. So let's skip that part. Then we have connect to Wi-Fi here. Okay, what's interesting, I mean, this is a little bit nerdy, is it's easier to recognize 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi bands, but they don't show up first in the Wi-Fi network areas, which is very weird. So if you ever wondered, right, on some devices you'll see some Wi-Fi networks, in a couple of seconds you'll see all of them. That's because you have 2.4 gigahertz bands and 5 gigahertz bands. But with Google, it just shows them all at once, which I do find interesting. Okay, when it comes to this setup, it's probably just going to go through Google account, maybe face recognition. They have improved the face recognition here, uses better AI. I don't think it can be fooled by a photo either, which is really cool. Only one camera. The only downside is it doesn't work in the dark. I'm going to have a bunch of videos on my channel, so just take a look, subscribe. I think you'll be very happy. And yeah, there it is, short and sweet. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.